Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day today. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nori. Welcome. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm base box for the month of October 2020. I just got this in the mail and I cannot wait to open it. Before we get into the video, if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me, and that way you don't miss any of my future uploads. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this. Okay, so yeah, this box retails for $25 and you are promised a value of at least $120 worth of beauty products. And they have other variations, but this is the one that I get monthly, $25 for 5 full-size beauty items. Just a little sneak peek. And this month's theme is Boxycharm Candy Shop. I have variation 22, and let's go ahead and see what's inside. I'm so excited for this box. The mystery of it. I always, as soon as I get the tracking number, I track it and I know how much it weighs. I say this every month, but this is the first time that there was like 3 or 4 different variations with my weight. It was 1.1 pounds. Let me get into the unboxing because I'm so excited. The first thing that I got is this brush set from Luxie. I actually have like 1 or 2 brushes from Luxie from years ago and they're still holding up. Like, they are actually the best brushes that I have. And it comes in this cute little bag. It says Luxie on it, black little bag. And these are the brushes. Let me open them up. Okay, so I got 5 brushes in that set, and it's the Luxie Wanderlust set, and it retails for $40. So in this set, I got a taper shading brush, a blending brush, a medium angled brush, a larger shader brush, and a brow and lash brush. That's pretty cool, pretty good variation of brushes. I actually am into brushes a lot right now because I've been into eyeshadow like crazy this past year. So like, while being in quarantine, I'm obsessed with eyeshadow, so my brushes get dirty so quickly. And like I said, some of my best brushes that I always reach for the most are Luxie. I think I only have like 2 or 3 of them. And when I saw that this was an option this month, I really wanted them because they're super high quality. They're super high quality. They feel so soft. They're really, at least the ones that I have in my collection, they're so easy to work with, and they help with blending a lot because of the soft bristles. And I don't know, I just really like them. So when I noticed that it was this brand, I was super excited. But this, honestly, I'm so happy that I got this. I don't know if everyone got them. Maybe everyone did, but I really love them. And that was a retail value of $40. I love the color, everything about it. I can't wait anymore. If you watch any of these videos from me before, you know, my palettes are my obsession. I trying to come down with it. Right now I'm stopping myself from buying like 5 or 6 palettes that just came out. All the holiday collections have been going crazy, and I don't have enough time to like wear them. Like, a lot of them I haven't even touched, but oh my gosh. I got the Ciate London, the Editor palette. Let me get it out of the packaging. The packaging is super cute. When I saw that this was an option, I think this was offered in premium, the premium box, a couple months ago, 3 months ago. I'm not sure how long ago. I don't have the premium box. Been talking myself out of that one too because I really don't need both boxes. But this is how it looks. Super pretty. The inside, I've been waiting to see how it looks inside because I've seen so many pictures on Instagram. Wow. How pretty. I don't think I've ever been more excited for a Boxycharm palette. I've been subscribed since July. Oh my god, it's so pretty, guys. This one I really wanted. They had like 2 different palettes. When I saw this was the choice, I really wanted this because I love color. And I have so many like everyday palettes. I just needed something with color, with beautiful shimmers. And you totally get that. And the variation in shimmers is what got me. You have green shimmers, you have burgundy shimmers, you have blue, yellow, wow, purple shimmers, even like a rosy toned down shimmer. I feel like this is so versatile and I cannot wait to play with it. And it just feels so it feels like heavy, like, you know, it doesn't feel like a cheap palette. That's what I'm trying to say. It feels sturdy. But let me go ahead and read about it. So this is the Ciate London New England Editor palette, and it retails for $32. This palette, just with the brushes in this palette, I'm sold. I love this month already. And I was a little skeptical when I was seeing like the options for this month, but honestly, best month ever so far with just these two options. Really, definitely, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I will be doing looks with this. I've been trying to do more makeup looks. I love doing makeup looks. I can't do them every day because my kids, you know, regular life, but I need to play with this. So look out for that sometime soon. I always seem to get the palette that I don't want. Of the different palette choices, I always get the one that I want the least. So this is the first month that I got the one that I really wanted. Next was the item that I chose. This is the Dose of Colors concealer. And this concealer, I got it in medium tan, 18 medium tan. There you go. And this Dose of Colors concealer is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer, and it retails for $24. Super sleek. This is what I chose. From the options they had, I don't need concealer, but I just love makeup, so I wanted to try a makeup item. That's what I chose, and I'm glad that I did. Why not? I love trying out new things. The next thing that I got is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Lip Butter, and the retail value for this is $20. I'm excited to see how much color is packed into this. The packaging is super cute. Seems orange so far, but that's the packaging. Super cute and sleek. That's how it looks. And you get a little bit of pigment there. I'm excited that I got this. Super cute. And this Sol de Janeiro lip butter retails for $20. I'm also excited that I got that because I've been getting a lot of like, I went lipstick crazy at last month's pop-up. I bought so many like burgundy and red lipsticks. So it's good to have something like this because the colder months are coming and my lips get super chapped. Okay, the next item that I got, I am so shocked by. I've never seen eyelashes. Oh my gosh. I've never seen eyelashes in either like Boxycharm, Ipsy, or anything like that. And before I talk about it, let me just say what it says. Let me take it out of the packaging actually to give you a closer look. Okay, let me open this up so you can see closer the style, how. Okay, so these are the Lava Lashes Charm Faux Mink, and these retail for $19.99. I was so excited when I got this. I saw it as an option on the sneak peeks, but I didn't think that I would get it. To be honest, like if you would have met me years ago, I would never wear lashes. I'm not wearing them today, so I'm not going anywhere. Just because I would try and it was so frustrating. But this was the year that I finally feel like I not master them. Obviously, every now and then I still get like lash glue stuck on my eyeshadow, but I finally like practice a lot while being in quarantine, and I love them. I fell in love with lashes this year. I always liked how they looked, but I just couldn't get the hang of it, and I just never tried. I never practiced. But this year is the year that I fell in love with them, and now I buy them like, I don't know, multiple packs a month, and I've been trying like different ones. And this style is so beautiful. I just love lashes right now. But these lashes are so beautiful. I never gotten this in a subscription box before, and I'm excited to try them out. The only thing that I struggle with is that I know that you can preserve them, but I don't know, I don't like using them more than once. I'm gonna have to be very gentle with them so that I can reuse them. But yes, I totally love that. Beautiful. The packaging is super cute and sleek too. I really like it. And the total retail value for my box is $135.99, which I think is amazing. This is like I've had boxes that have been worth more, but this is the first one that I'm this excited about. This I can't get over. Lashes, concealer, the lip balm, and these brushes. This is my first honestly month that I'm so excited about it. I was a little disappointed when I was seeing the choices this month, and I'm just happy that I feel like they finally listened to my quiz. I've been redoing it over and over and just adjusting it to just makeup. Because I like skincare, but I feel like I have a good skincare routine down, so I don't like trying out new things because it irritates me. It has happened a few times. Trying out new skincare irritates me. So I kept doing the quiz over and over to put skincare all the way at the bottom of the list and makeup all the way up. And it seems like it worked. I hope that they were actually listening, but this month was totally worth it for me. I'm super excited with what I got. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't yet so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will be definitely trying everything out in a future video, but especially this palette. I gotta think of what kind of look I want to create. And yeah, go ahead and check out the rest of my channel if you like. Follow me on Instagram at Nori Loves Beauty. And thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye guys.